Neem oil is a pesticide with many benefits and is also a natural insecticide. It is usually extracted from the seeds of the tree Azadirachta indica. Benefits of using neem oil on lettuce. Neem oil is very effective against many types of insects and pests. It has been tested for its insecticidal properties, and it has proven to be an efficient and safe alternative to synthetic pesticides. Neem oil is especially effective against aphids, leafhoppers, thrips, whiteflies, and other small insects. It is used for gardening, organic farming, and greenhouses. It can be used in your house to control cockroaches, ants, and other insects. It can also be used in your car or boat as a bug spray. What makes neem oil? Ingredients. The neem tree is native to India. It can grow up to 60 feet tall and has white flowers that bloom between April and July. The neem tree contains a non-toxic oil known as azadirachtin. It is the main active ingredient in neem oil. It works by disrupting the nervous system of insects and preventing them from feeding. It is also a natural insecticide that can control pests such as aphids, mites, leafhoppers, mealybugs, and cutworms. It is not recommended to use neem oil on humans because it can cause skin irritation. How to use neem oil on lettuce recipes. Make a neem oil pest spray. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 cup of neem oil. Instructions: add the neem oil to a container and add the water. Mix the two together well and then add the solution to your plants. The neem oil should be sprayed on the leaves and stems of your plants. This will help protect your plants from bugs, ants, and other insects. Use neem oil as a natural pesticide. Ingredients: 1 cup of neem oil, 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of vinegar. Instructions: place the neem oil in a glass container. Add the water and then add the vinegar. Mix all 3 together. Shake well and then apply to your plants. This will also help keep pests away in your home or garden. Keep bugs away in your home. Ingredients: 1 cup of neem oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of soap. Instructions: combine the neem oil, vinegar, water, and soap together in a glass container. Mix well and then pour into a spray bottle. This will help keep bugs away in your home and yard. Make stronger neem oil insecticide. Ingredients: 1 cup of neem oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of soap. Instructions: combine the neem oil, vinegar, water, and soap together in a glass container. Mix well and then pour into a spray bottle. This will help keep bugs away in your home and yard. Using neem oil on lettuce is critical to ensure you grow your plants organically without the use of commercial pesticides. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.